Hello children, good morning. Today in maths I am going to teach the same lesson children, lesson number 4 subtraction. The previous class also we learned lesson number 4 is the subtraction. So today we will be continuing. The previous class you learned the horizontal subtraction. Then for single digit you learned children. See children I am showing for single digit number here practice. Okay, 3 minus 2 means what 1 is it. So this is single digit subtraction. Now you will be learning subtraction of 2-digit number and subtraction of 3-digit number and subtraction of 2-digit number with borrowing. So today we will be learning all those things. So now look at the board here children. Okay, subtraction of 2-digit number. So you have here two numbers. Subtract 33 from 48. So now here how you have to take note. 33 from 48 means first you have to write this number children 48. So okay children, so now you have to take 48 because this is biggest numbers. So 33 is small and 48 is big number. So you have to take always the big number. So write 48. Okay. Then 33. Write here down. Okay children, while doing addition also I told you, when you get 2-digit number, first thing what you have to do, can you remember children, I explained you, first you have to write the place value. So this is in ones place, okay, you have to write it, it's one place, and this side is a tens place, so write it and draw a line in the middle. Okay children, now I told you, same way you have to subtract, you have 8, so write 8 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8 you have to subtract 3 children. Okay. So you have to subtract 3. So 1, 2, 3. Just take away 3 lines. So remaining you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 here. As I told you in the earlier class only children, you have to write exactly below this. You should not go this side. If this 5 comes this side, it is wrong. And you should not go here also. Exactly in ones place you have to write it. Okay, now we will come to tens place. Tens place you have here 4. So draw here 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4 you have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 subtracts. What will be the answer children? You have only 1. So write here 1. Got it children? I will write one more sum also. Okay. Subtract 42 from 64. Okay, I told you children. First you have to take a big number. See, subtract 42 from 64 means have to take big number. So which is the big number children here? 42 or 64? 64. So take first 64. Then down write 42. And this also you have to write exactly children, not going here and there. Okay. Okay children, so big number is 64, you are written here first, then 42. Exactly below this, don't write here and there children, should be exactly correct. So what you have to do first, write the place value. So 4 is in ones place here and this row 6 is in tens place. Don't forget to write this children, okay, it's very important. Then draw the line in it. So here you have 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So from 4 you have to subtract 2. 1, 2. If 2 goes, remaining 1, 2. And that will be your answer. Write exactly below this children. Okay. Now come to tens place. In tens place you have your 6. Draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 6 you will be subtracting 4 children. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 goes. How many remaining children? 1, 2. And that will be your answer. 22. So subtract 42 from 64 means you will get the answer 22 children. Okay. Now we will go to subtraction of 3-digit number. See children, here you learn 2-digit number, is it? 1, 2. Ones and tens. Now here you will be learning for 3-digit number. Can you see this children? 1, 2, 3 numbers. Here also 3. So ones, tens and hundreds. Is it? You know, all of you knows. So first thing I told you have to mention it is ones place and this is 10 and this is hundreds place. Okay, and have to write exactly below that. Must not go this side or this side, children. So here you have 6. In ones place you have 6 and 3. You have to subtract 3 from 6. So draw 6 lines. Okay, so 6 lines, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 6 you have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 goes means 1, 2, 3. So 3 will be the answer. Okay, write below, children. In tens place you have your 5 and 1. So you have to subtract 1 from 5. So draw your 5 lines, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 5 you have to subtract 1. So remove this 1. Then remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. So write your 4, your answer. See the column, children, it has to be straight. Okay, now in hundreds place you have your 4 and 2. You have to subtract 2 from 4. So draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4 you have to subtract 2. So 1, 2. 2 goes 1 and 2. So write here 2. Got it, children? Okay, one more example. Sorry, children. First thing you have to mention, children, whether it is in ones, tens and hundreds. This is very important. So draw the line here. In ones place you have your 5. You have to subtract 2 from 5. So draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 5 you have to subtract 2. 1, 2. 2 goes 1, 2, 3. So answer is your 3. In tens place you have 4 and 1. You have to subtract 1 from 4. So draw 4 lines, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 4 you have to subtract 1. If 1 goes 1, 2, 3. So write the answer here 3. In hundreds place you have your 7 and 3. You have to subtract 3 from 7. So draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from 7 you have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the answer here 4. Children, while counting you have to count it properly, or else the answer will be wrong. Suppose if you do one mistake also, the answer will be wrong and the whole sum will be the wrong, children. So while counting you have to be very careful. One goes wrong also, the whole sum will be wrong. Okay, have you understood this, children? Subtraction of 3-digit number. Now children, now take out a textbook, open page number 130. Okay, right. First one, A mean find the difference. Find the difference means I told you no, subtract, children. Okay, so here first write it in ones place and tens place. This is important, children, here. So in ones place 7 ones and here 2 ones you have. So here write 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to subtract 2. Okay, 1, 2. 2 goes means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be 5. See, children, they have not drawn the line here. So don't write here. If it is line is there also, if no line also, you have to write exactly straight to this. Okay. Now in tens place you have 8 and 5. You have to subtract 5 from 8. So draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from that you have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So remaining 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Okay. Next one, children. 9. Write it ones place and tens place. Okay, 9. Okay, 9 ones. Draw lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 you have to subtract 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer is 5. Children, it should be straight, children, and keep on repeating, okay? It should be straight. In tens place 4 and here have 1. You have to subtract 1 from 4. So draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from 4 you have to subtract 1. If 1 goes 1, 2, 3. So write the answer 3. And here also first write it ones place, tens place. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5 you have to subtract 1. With 1 goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Write here 4. And tens place you have your 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7 you have to subtract 7. Okay, I told you children something. If you have to subtracting from same number, you will get the answer 0 only. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 also if it goes means you have anything here children? No. So 0. Right here 0. And fourth one, ones place, tens place. Ones place 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now give me the answer children. 9. From 9 you have to subtract 9. So what will be getting the answer children? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 also if it goes. Is there any leftover children here? No. So 0. Right here 0. And here in tens place you have 9 and 4. You have to subtract 4 from 9. So draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 you have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 goes means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write the answer here 5 children. Okay. Come to next page children. Page 131. Okay. This is subtraction of 3-digit number. I taught you know. Okay. First one see here 2. Then you have to subtract 1. Okay. First 1, 2. From 2 you have to subtract 1. So 1 if it goes means you have here 1. Right exactly below this. In tens place you have 5 and 4. You have to subtract 4 from 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5, 4 goes means 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining will be 1. Right here 1. And in hundreds place you have 4 and 2. Have to subtract 2 from 4. So draw the lines for 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4, 1, 2. Subtract 2 means remaining 1, 2. So the answer is 2. And your second one, in ones place you have 5 and here 4. Have to subtract 4 from 5 children. So draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 5 you have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 goes means remaining you have 1. Right answer here 1. In tens place 4, 3. You have to subtract 3 from 4. So draw the line 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 goes. The answer will be 1. And here in hundreds place you have 6 and have to subtract 3 from 6. So draw the lines 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 6 you have to subtract 3 children. 1, 2, 3. 3 goes. Remaining 1, 2, 3. So write here exactly below this. Okay children, now subtraction of 2-digit number with borrowing. Okay. Now you learned okay subtraction of 2-digit number, then 3-digit number also. Now with the borrowing sums. Okay children, listen carefully. Subtract 67 from 84. As I told you before, the big number you have to write it first. 84. Then here 67. So first thing what you have to do children, I told you, write the ones place and tens place. You have to write the place value. Okay, so ones place and tens place. So borrow. See children, now in ones place you have here 4 and 7. Okay, if I draw, I'll show you. If I draw 1, 2, 3, 4, then I have to subtract 7. Is it? So if I subtract 7 means where it is 7 it is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 only is there. Then I want to subtract 7. Is it? So how will you subtract? So here in 2-digit this thing with borrowing sums, it is not possible to do like this. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from tens place. You have to borrow 1 from tens place. So you will be borrowing from here children. Okay, so 1 you have to borrow. So once you borrow means it will become your 14 children. You have your 4. So if you borrow 1, it will come your 1. So 14. It becomes 14. Okay children, I will repeat once. You have your 4 and 7. You cannot subtract 7 because 7 is bigger than 4, is it? So you cannot subtract. So what you have to do? You have to borrow 1 from this tens place. So you will be borrowing here 1. So that 1 you will be writing before this 4. So it becomes 14. It will not become 5 children. Just remind, okay? So you have to write before that. Now how much it became children? Now it has become here 14. And you are given here from 8, you are already given here one number. So here you scratch it. How many numbers will be now here? 7. Because you are given one number to once, is it? So here you scratch it and write here 7. Okay children? Okay children, you scratch this 4 also because you get confused. Okay? So 14. Now from 14 you have to subtract 7. So draw here 14 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14 lines children. From 14 you have to subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If 7 goes means remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write it down. Okay, got it children? Now you have your 7. Okay, because you are given 1 to 1 place. So you have here only 7. From 7 you have to subtract 6. Okay, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from 7 you have to subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 goes means remaining what children? 1. Okay. So one more sum also I will teach you children here. See, I have written here in one space 5 and 6. So which is big children here? 6. So you cannot subtract from 5. So what you have to do? You have to borrow 1 from here. So this becomes 15. Okay, it becomes 15. And you are giving, is it your from tens you are giving here. So this it becomes 8. Okay children? Becomes 8 here. Okay, so now from 15 you have to subtract 6. Okay children, you have to draw 15 lines. Okay, from 15 you have to subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 goes means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write the answer here 9. Okay children. Now in tens place we are already given 1 year. So here there, how much it is there? 8. So from 8 you have to subtract 4. So draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8 you have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the answer 49. Have you understood this children with borrowing? Okay children, now statement problems. This you learned in addition also statement problems children. Now I will read the questions see children. There were 45 boys in the classroom. 22 out of them went home. How many boys were left in the classroom? So in the classroom there were 45 boys children. So in the 45 boys, 22 of them went to home. So how many children will be in the remaining will be in the class? So first you have to write this children like see number of boys in the classroom. So how many boys were in the classroom? 45. Okay, write like this. Then number of boys went home. How many of the boys went home children? 22 of them went home, is it? So write here 22. How many boys were left in the classroom? Now you have to write it how many boys were left in the class. So what you have to do? See like this you have to write. Then first thing I told you have to mention it as in one space and this is very important so that you have to mention it. Okay, draw the line in between. Okay, now 5 minus 2 you have to subtract. So draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 5 you have to subtract 2. 1, 2. 2 goes 1, 2, 3. Okay, write the answer here 3. Now come to tens place. You have your 4 and 2. You have to subtract 2 from 4. So draw 4 lines in them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 4 you have to subtract 2. 1, 2. So remaining 1, 2. So 23. So how many children were left in the classroom children? 23. You see children, number of boys left in the classroom are this answer. 23 boys were in the classroom. This is the answer. Okay children, open page number 132. See A may find the difference. So here ones place, tens place. So you have your 6 and 8. So you cannot subtract 8 from 6. So you have to borrow. So what it becomes children? 16. It becomes there 16. And here you are giving is it. So here it becomes 3. So from 16 if you subtract 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. From 16 if you Subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write the answer here 8. So now here you have 3. From 3 you have to subtract 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in that 2 goes 1, 2, remaining 1. Write the answer here 1. See children, here second sum, 1's place, 10's place. Okay, from 3 you cannot subtract 4. So borrow 1 from 10's place, so it becomes now 13. Here it becomes 6. So from 13 you have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. From 13 you have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining, count children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so write the answer here 9. Okay, next you have your 6. From 6 you have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You subtract 5, you will get the answer 1. Okay, this third and fourth you try to do it children. Okay, next come to next page, and this main A, solve the following. This I will give in the class work children. Okay, now turn the page. Okay children, page number 134, mental mathematics. Okay children, answer these questions orally. So 8 minus 2 means, write the answer 6. Okay, all this you have to practice in home children. 15 minus 4. Okay children, second one, 15 minus 4, get 11. Next third one, 45 minus 5, 40. Fourth one, 20 minus 20, you will get 0 children. Okay. Then 100 minus 1, 99. Then 120 minus 0, you get the same number. Okay, 120. And your 9 minus something, you will get the answer 7. So 9 minus 2, you will get 7. Then 18 minus something, you will get the answer 17. So 18 minus 1. So here 10 minus 0, you will get 10. Okay, 10th one children. I had 7 mangoes, out of which I ate 3. How many mangoes are remaining? Means he had 7 mangoes. So out of 7 he had 3. He ate 3. So how many are remaining children? 4 mangoes. Okay, next. Ravi had 12 pencils. He gave 2 pencils to his sister. How many are remaining with him? Ravi had 12 pencils. He gave to his sister 2. So how many pencils now he will be having? He have 10 pencils. Okay children, see here 12 and 2. So you have to minus this. From 12 you have to subtract 2. Okay, so you will get 10 pencils. So Ravi will have now 10 pencils with him. Then 12th one, one of the 8 birds flew away from a tree. How many are left on the tree? So in the tree 8 birds, okay, 1 were sitting. So in that 1 bird flew away. So how many birds will be remaining children? 7 birds. Okay, 7 birds. So 8 minus 1. You have your 1. 8 minus 1. Here you have to subtract 1 from 8. So you will get 7. 7 birds. Okay children, have you understood this lesson children? Okay children, thank you.